Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you looking for a way to enhance your videos with animations and effects? Keyframes allow you to define specific points on your timeline where changes such as transitions, movements, and other edits can occur. In this video, I will guide you through the process of adding keyframes in Capcut on your computer. Let's go. Before we start, are you also a frequent user of Capcut for video editing like me? Personally, I invest in Capcut Pro subscription not only to unlock all of its features, but also because it's cost-effective and much more budget-friendly than other programs like Premiere Pro. If you would like a discounted rate for your premium subscription, click on the link in the description box below. Okay, but now back to the keyframes. Open Capcut Desktop and create a new project. Next, import the video you want to edit. And add the element to the timeline below. Capcut actually offers a wide range of keyframes to animate your videos, including scale, position, rotation, and opacity. I'll demonstrate adding a position keyframe, but feel free to explore with other properties. Either way, the process is similar, although the animations produced will be different. Before adding a keyframe, move the playhead to the desired starting point. Navigate to the Video Configuration panel and click the diamond icon next to the chosen property. Once the start point is set, drag the playhead to another point on the timeline where the animation should stop. And click the diamond icon to set it as the secondary keyframe. You can then manually adjust the position of the object or enter specific values in the position property fields to simulate motion. If you want different movements for your video, repeat the process of dragging the playhead, adding the keyframe, and adjusting the position until needed. When you're done editing, preview your piece of art to check the results. And then, export your final video to save it to your computer. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.